Georgia, say hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Well, if you're proud to be in Georgia, say hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
I tell you what, Valdsota, Georgia, this beats all I ever seen in my life. Thank you so much for making this happen. Now we gonna find somebody real quick. We're gonna find somebody real quick. All right, hold up. First of all, girls, don't y'all like to see a country boy shake it a little bit? I don't know. He's too little. You want some? Come on. All right, don't hurt nobody. Hey, I got you. Watch out, right here. Hold up, hey, right here. What's up? What's your name? Y'all give it up for Robert one time. Hey, Robert, don't forget about this side. All right, here's the deal, Robert. Here's the deal. Robert, I'm a very good mathematician. Robert, we are outnumbered 12-1 in here tonight. For every country girl, for every 12 country girls, there is one ugly country dude, all right? All right, here's the deal, guys. Guys, if you cannot hook up in here tonight, you are just plain ugly, and me and Robert can't do nothing for you. But listen, me and Robert's gonna show you how to shake it a little bit. Hold up. Robert's gonna show you how to shake it a little bit, and you might get lucky. I don't know. All right, you ready, girls? Y'all gotta get him going.